In this next segment, we're going to look at Travis picking with our right hand. And we're going to call this Travis picking pattern number 1. So we've got a bunch of different chords, open chords. We have 6-string chords, meaning G, which encompasses 6 strings of the guitar, C, which only encompasses 5 strings of the guitar, and D, which encompasses only 4 strings of the guitar. So because of that, we have to adjust our right hand accordingly: 6-string chords, 5-string chords, and 4-string chords. So let's start out with a 5-string chord. And so Travis picking pattern number 1 is going to look like this. First thing, what I'm going to do is, with my C chord gripped, I'm going to grab the A string with my thumb. And I'm really going to try and put it on top so I can feel it, right? And try to settle in, kind of pinch, and get a feel for where those strings are. With my first finger, I'm going to put it on top of the G string. And then my middle finger, it's going to grip the B string. So I've got, if I pinch all 3 at the same time, my thumb is on the A, my first is on the G, and my middle is on the B. So those are my assignments for a 5-string chord. Now my index and my middle stay where they are, but my thumb is moving and alternating between the A and the D string for this pattern. So this pattern is like this: thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 1, thumb 2. Now I'm referring to my right hand as thumb 1, 2. A lot of times fingerstyle books will refer to this as P, I, M, and A, or Pima. I don't know what P means, and I don't know what the A means. I forget. You can make something up cool, like pony and Atreyu. Anyway, I digress. So 5-string chord, the C, my thumb is doing all the work. It's alternating between the A string and the D string. So it's going thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 1, thumb 2, 1, thumb 2. So for this picking pattern, I'm going to keep thumb 1 and thumb 2 constant over all the chords. But I do have to adjust my right hand, especially my thumb, according to 4-string chords, 5-string chords, and 6-string chords. Let's look at a 6-string chord. If I take my G chord, I'm going to keep these 2 fingers where they're at, but my thumb is going to go to the bass note. So on every beat 1, while finger picking, I want to try and hit that bass note first. So my thumb starts on the E string, thumb 2, right? Thumb 2, then my bass alternates to the D string, then 1 on the G. So I'm going thumb 2, thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 1. And my thumb is having to skip over the A in order to alternate to the open D string. So again, that's thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 1, thumb 2, 1, thumb 2, thumb 1, thumb 2. So one more chord to look at. Let's look at a D chord, a 5-string chord, a 4-string chord, as it only encompasses 4 strings. The D to the high E. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to station these 2 fingers on the B and E string. And my thumb is going to alternate between the D and the G. So I've had to move these 2 fingers, my index and my middle, down a string set. So the bass note of D, of course, is an open D string. So again, I'm going thumb 2, thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 1. My thumb's alternating between the D and the G string. Thumb 2, alternate 1, thumb 2, alternate 1, thumb 2, alternate 1. So let's take a progression. 2 measures of C, 2 measures of G, and 2 measures of D using this same pattern. very slowly. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to G. Here's D. And let's do it over again. So that's a good start to practicing your right hand technique, Travis picking style number 1.